Hello everyone! If you are into vaping accessoires or portable dabbing tools, you've probably come across Toke Dab. And if not, today's the perfect time to check them out and save with our exclusive referral link below. Toke Dab is known for their high-quality portable dab rigs, accessoires, and vape tools that blend tech with user-friendly design. Some of their standard products include electric dab pens and rigs, temperature control devices, cleaning kits, replacement coils, and travel-friendly kits. They focus on discreet usage, fast heating times, and durability with sleek modern designs that are ideal for experienced users or those who's starting out. Okay, so their online shop makes it easy to compare devices. As you can see also from the browser, is really user friendly. It divides every category, every product, so you can simply navigate here, scroll down, and choose the best product for you. And of course, it's you also here from the same website you can read reviews and even browse by use case or product feature. Shipping is fast and discreet, and their customer support is quick to respond. So, ready to save? Just use our referral link in the description. It will apply available discounts automatically or unlock hidden savings on select products. You don't want to pay full price if you don't have to, especially for tech gears like this. So hit the link, grab your essentials, and enjoy top tier dabbing gear for less.